There we go.
Look, Santa came to see you. Look, see right here. Oh, that's it. Mama can't get you in there good, can she? Here we go. There we go. Let's see what Santa brought you. Let's see what Santa brought you. Say good morning, Daddy.
Morning, buddy. Merry Christmas.
Let's turn that flash off so we can get some pictures. Oh, and see what Santa brought you? Look! I got you a changing pad with a monkey on it. I got a monkey on it.
Now when you pee all over the other one, we have another one.
Yes, it got a monkey on it. Oh, wrong button, Mama.
Grayson.
Say hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Say I'm a monkey. I'm a monkey. You silly boy. Silly boy. Changing pad. Look, I got some child-proofing stuff. I think this is more for Mama and Daddy. Santa wants you to be safe, though. Santa wants you to be safe. I got some rings. Look at that. Look at that. I'm just trying to figure a way out of there, aren't you? That's sure what it looks like. And some blocks. Some blocks. Well, we've got you a drying mat for your bottles. Yeah. And look what we got here. What is that?
Let's dance.
Let's you dance.
What is it, Grayson?
What is that?
Let's play.
Dance, Grayson.
Dance.
Clap, buddy, clap.
Yeah, you want to go through your stocking? We got some clothes up here, it looks like. Let's look at this. Check this out. Look. The stocking. Woo! I thought he was done. What have we got here? Oh, Santa even left us some batteries. All right. Look. Look at these cute little outfits. Oh, they're cute.
There you go.
There you go. Good work. Aren't they cute? Look, you got you some pajamas. Look at that toboggan with ears. Look, you want to go again?
Let's learn.
You like that, Grayson?
Do you like that? Look, what's in here? And pull it out.
What's in your stocking, buddy? Grab it.
What's in there?
Grab it.
Extra covers. That's for your neck. No more scratching your neck. All right. What else have we got in here? Ooh, some bottle labels. Cool. Cool.
Whoop.
Well then. A ducky. It's a ducky. And what else do we have?
Mm-mm.
Some teethers. Look at that.
Oh, more things to put in my mouth.
Yeah.
Get another burp.
There you go. You right there. Let's get these up here. And we got a big gift over here. What is this? Can you smile one time for Mama? Say, hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. No smile. Come here. Let's put you in your big gift. All right, come here. Let's see. All right. What is this? What is this? What is that contraction? What is that? Joe. Oh, he can't reach the ground. Oh, bless him. He can't reach it. We got to put something up underneath him.
Mm-hmm. What you doing, buddy? Do you like it?
What is that?
Bounce.
What is
Move.
that? Did Joe say, I think I get it. I think I get it.
Move around.
What is that? What is it? Jump, 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 jump. You figured it out? We'll put something up under your feet so you can hit it. We'll put a box or something up under there.
Yeah.
Touch. It doesn't go down anymore, you think?
I think you can adjust the height of it, maybe.
So I wonder if it'll go down some more. I think we can work on that. I think we can work on that. Well, Santa thought you were a little taller, didn't he? Santa thought you were a little taller. You like that, baby boy? Oh, well, blurry face. Do you like that, baby boy? Do you like that?
Yeah. Just jiggle around, move around
Do you
in
like it? It bounce, it bounce, it bounce.
There you go, buddy. Just bounce up and down.
Where's Mama?
He did go straight for the toys, though.
Yeah, he did.